Baby bus!
Mini episode on safety. Woof!
Jaden, today there's a water fight in the water park. It looks so fun. Let's go and join it.
Sure! I'll take my squirt gun in this bucket. Oh, I can't forget my water balloons. I'll throw them at others. Boom! Then the balloons will burst and the water will splash everywhere. It's gonna be so much fun!
Wait, don't do that, Jaden. It may be fun, but hitting someone with a water balloon could accidentally hurt them. It's easy to injure others when we throw objects at them.
Archie is right. Time to learn safety with Sheriff Labrador. Many children like to fill balloons with water for fun. It may be interesting, but remember, we shouldn't hit each other with water balloons because it's easy to hurt someone. If you hit someone in the mouth or nose with a water balloon, he or she could get injured, and the area could get infected by the bacteria in the water. Be safe and clean when you play with water balloons, boys and girls.
Hey now, everyone! I'm Officer Doberman! June is here, and we're so excited to celebrate all of our amazing June birthday stars! We've been reading your wonderful messages, and they always bring a huge smile to our faces. Thank you for sharing your birthdays, wishes, and stories with us. Just like last month, we're splitting our birthday shoutouts into 2 parts, so everyone gets their special moment. If you don't hear your name today, don't worry. Your shoutout is coming in our next episode. Omar Isan Mohammed Noor Hafiz. Wow, losing a tooth is quite an adventure. Lincoln Chin, happy 6th birthday. And we're so happy you enjoy the stories. Auden Chia, thank you too for joining us. Only a Squid. Eliana Ho, you're our favorite listener too. Ian Royce, we're so happy our stories help you learn and practice new words. Abdul Mohsen Al-Mukahim. Dodi, we hope your birthday is filled with surprises. Ender and Sister Vivi, thank you both. Doris Wang Hee-Wai, greetings to you in Kuching, Sarawak. Kim Tu, happy 5th birthday. Samuel Thong, roger that. Darius Pang and Chloe Pang. Hansel Brantley, thank you for 7 amazing years of listening. Jocelyn Yap, Egon Luang, congratulations on turning 10. Hannah Char, thank you for listening every single day. Aria, we love you too. Willow's cousin George and Willow's friend Muruna. Saliha Sahid, we're proud to be your superheroes. Vishnu, Kian Daniel, Cinderella, losing 2 front teeth makes you look extra grown up. Hugo, we're happy to join your bedtime routine. Darlene Joanna, Riley, Ruffin Tier, from your best friend Ayabels. A massive happy birthday to all our first group of June stars. We hope your birthdays are packed with laughter, surprises, cake, and lots of wonderful memories.